Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished up another revalve on a 2022 Husky FX350 forks. These forks received the JBI suspension WP AER 48 Pro Fork Revalve. This is our revalve setup for the WP Air Forks, also branded as the WP Exact Fork. The JBI Suspension Pro Fork focus heavily on replacing some of the hardware inside of the fork to further improve the fork's performance. One of the key components of this is the JBI subvalve, along with the updated mid-valve configuration as well. Details of this kit can be found at ridejbi.com. It shows you the exact parts and pieces used, why we use them, and how they work, and what you should expect once installed, and how the suspension will perform afterwards. Again, this kit is available as a service, so you can send in your forks to Ride JBI HQ, and we will install it for you and custom tune it to settings specific to you and your type of riding. And it is also available as a do-it-yourself install kit, where we will package it up into an easy-to-install manner, allowing you to save downtime on shipping and shipping cost, and have it installed locally by yourself or a local tuner. And you would get the same exact custom settings that we would do here at Ride JBI. So you would just tell us where you ride, the type of riding that you're doing. We would talk to you, and we get that kit custom built and sent out for you. The feedback has been very positive on these kits, as we've had many years to develop, test, and tune settings for these WP Air Forks. Ride JBI also offers spring conversion options for those interested in a spring fork for their KTM, Husky, or Gas bike. Those options are the WP Exact Pro 6500 kit, the WP Exact 7548 complete fork, the KYB SSS conversion kit, and also the complete KYB A-kit fork. So regardless of your choice, Ride JBI has many options available for improving the performance of your front forks. We have tested, tuned, and developed great settings for all of the options. So you tell us what you're after, and we will make it happen for you. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. If you'd like Ride JBI to custom build your own suspension, please give us a call or send us an email.